What's up guys, Alec here, and today I'm going to talk about the new Instagram spam filters that they've installed and the new limits to your Instagram actions that you can do in a certain time. So if you don't know already, Instagram has basically updated the amount of actions you can do, such as following, unfollowing, liking, commenting, DMing and all of that since early June. And Instagram have also installed new spam filters which can help them easily detect when someone's using a third-party app to automate their actions, for example, following and unfollowing and liking and commenting. So basically, if you've been performing a lot of following and liking actions thanks to a software in the last 30 days, it's very likely that your account could have been flagged as spam. This means that you won't be able to follow or like. Instagram might block your actions when you get the little pop-up saying it's blocked your actions, and you might get a notification within your Instagram feed telling you to change your password and to not use third-party software for Instagram actions. So, although Instagram didn't disclose any official limits to what you can do on Instagram, after gathering feedback from everyone and doing some research online, this is what we know. The new Instagram filter was activated early June 2019. All available apps and services that provide Instagram automation are affected by this update. Users that are also following and unfollowing manually are also experiencing some action blocks from Instagram. Now, some people believe that Instagram only allows a maximum of 6,000 follows in a 30-day period. This means that you can follow about 200 people per day without getting blocked by Instagram. When it comes to the likes, according to the most recent sources on the internet, about 400 to 500 is the maximum amount of likes you should be doing with an automation software every day. I highly suggest not going over this, and if you're a brand new account, make sure you slowly build up to it. Don't do 400 likes a day from the first day. If it's a brand new account, maybe do 50 the first day, 100 the next. You get the idea basically. And then when it comes to the comments, again, according to internet sources and the most recent ones, it's believed that you can leave about 200 comments a day, still staying in the safe zone. And then finally, when it comes to Instagram DMs, I couldn't really find too much on the internet about reliable Instagram DM sources. A lot of them are really different. Some people were saying you can send like 200 a day, others were saying you should only stick around to 50. From my personal experience, I would agree with the 50 to 100. I definitely wouldn't go over 100 when it comes to Instagram DMs, especially if you're using Instagram automation software. Make sure you have different DMs that you're sending. If you're sending 50 times the same one, you're definitely going to get banned by Instagram, or at least action blocked. Make sure you have at least 10 variations of the same type of DM. Trust me, it will help your account stay safe a lot. Now, what you can do if you have been affected by this action block on Instagram, most of the time you just need to wait it off, so I highly suggest waiting 7 days to get your account back to a normal state. Avoid Instagram automation softwares and mass following and liking during those 7 days, and hopefully your account should go back to normal. When this action ban is lifted, try staying under the limits that I've just provided in this video. And then finally, unfollowing on Instagram doesn't seem to trigger the action block whatsoever. Instagram will limit the amount of people that you can unfollow within an hour. However, it won't cause your actions to get blocked within Instagram. So if you are action blocked during a week or so, you can just focus on this time to unfollow if you are following and unfollowing. That being said, that's the video for today, guys. I just wanted to update you quickly so you can not get your account banned on Instagram and you can stay safe while using Instagram automation software. If you enjoyed this video and it was helpful, hit the like button. Let me know down in the comment section below. And again, guys, thanks for watching. Peace out. With the word now, Hollywood geeking. It's just another Hollywood weekend.